Namaskar. Hello, my dear friends. My name is Suresh Shrimali. Welcome to Astro and Numero with Shrimali, your one-stop channel for astrology and numerology. Today, I will tell you about the effect of Mercury transit and how it will put an impact on your zodiac sign. But firstly, let me tell you about something Mercury. According to Vedic astrology, the planet Mercury is factor of intelligence, speech, thought, communication. The native whose zodiac sign has an auspicious effect on Mercury is highly intelligent and a skilled speaker. The people with influence of Mercury have great interest in subjects like banking, finance, accounting, business management, consultancy, service providing work. Mercury is believed to be the lord of the Gemini and Virgo zodiac. This time, Mercury will return the transit in Taurus from 30th April to 26th of May 2021. Means Mercury will be in Taurus for 26 days. These 26 days is more important for us because this pandemic situation. Let's open the box of future along with prediction. I will also suggest some remedies which can give you auspicious results. Let's start with fire, that is Aries. Wealth gains, fame, respect and honor will be achieved in business. You will be under stress due to more workload at the workplace. Many of your work may get stuck, due to which you may come under mental stress. Students will recognize their abilities and will strive to succeed in their fields. Talking about social life, your close friends will be seen standing with you at this time. Take time for meditation, yoga or pranayam, means breathing exercise, to improve your mental and physical health. Remedy for you is do Lord Shri Ganesha Abhishek with milk mixed with saffron, which gives wealth. Now let's move to Bull, that is Taurus. Your brain will be under your control, and due to this, you can get good fruits in social life. The business persons may suffer some loss due to their wrong decisions. Correct the mistakes coming in your work to intercept yourself at the workplace. If students are feeling lonely or depressed, share this with any advisor or teacher. You also need to pay attention towards your health. For this, you should start the right diet. Seeing the harmony between the people of the house, you will also have a smile on your face. Married people can shop for new clothes with their partner. Remedy for you is all signs will be eliminated by chanting Ganesh Stotra on Wednesday. Now let's move to twins, that is Gemini. You should avoid arguing with your business associates. A decrease in your confidence will be seen because you will keep imagining the future instead of living in the present. You will remain devoted to your spouse, but even then, there can be minor quarrels. You will also find the right results of your work in the field. At this time of getting promotions, there are complete totals. Concerns about the health of the mother will decrease, so special care. Students will be connected with new and old friends through social media. Your health will be strong. Remedy for you is go to the Ganesh temple on Wednesday and offer Lord Ganesha with 2 and 2.1 kilogram jaggery puddings. Now let's move to Crab, that is Cancer. You may get appreciation for the way you work. People associated with jobs will get a new identity in the field at the moment on the strength of their creativity. You will face every challenge firmly, and your confidence will not waver even in difficult situations. You can also beat some prominent pupil of the society. You are likely to get success in court related matters. Those in love relationship should give them a gift to make their partner happy. A good profit can go into the business of the business persons. Students will be full of energy, due to which you will get satisfaction in education. The remedy for you is offer 11 or 21 knots of Durva, means green grass, to Ganesha on Wednesday morning. Now let's move to Lion, that is Leo. You can see the brilliance in your intellect. You can show interest in learning new topics. You will enjoy discussing spiritual matters with people. You may have feelings about anything from your spouse or love partner. This time is favorable for students. You will be able to focus all your attention on studies. You need to be a little conscious about health. Do not argue with anyone at workplace about petty issues. Even leaving the job can be an issue. Remedy for you is offer saffron to Lord Ganesha on Wednesday. Now let's move to Earth, that is Virgo. For the business persons, it will be fruitful time. People associated with job occupation should not postpone their work tomorrow. Students in the field of education to get success, you have to improve your study a little more. You may plan for financial investment. You may get upset about some things with your love partner. Family life may increase as guests arrive at your home. You may have to travel suddenly, so please take special care. Remedy for you is donate green beans to the needy persons every Wednesday. By doing this, you can eliminate the problems in your relationship. Now let's move to scales, that is Libra. The positions in the field will be in your favor and you can get promotion. If you do any business, then the pace of the business will catch up and you will get a good success in it. Students will feel that something has gone wrong with them, but be positive and try to do meditation early in the morning. Physically, you will not face any major problems, but mental stress can disturb you. The natives will gain interest in studying spiritual subjects. There will be a possibility of earning profit and prestige in the society. The remedy for you is to wrap 7 grains in green cloth and flow in running water on Wednesday. Now let's move to Scorpion, that is Scorpio. Those associated with imports and exports will see new deals coming their way. Any major construction related decisions can also be taken. The upcoming financial future is expected to be very good. Family life, love life and relationship will be great and there will be a happy environment all around. You will be given a big responsibility for a religious event at home. You need to take special care of your cholesterol and digestion. Remedy for you is keep elephant tusk in your bedroom. Now let's move to Archer, that is Sagittarius. You are expected to yield good returns from new investments. Foreign clients and strategies can be developed. To improve your financial situation, you can ask for a loan from a friend or relative. The harshness of your speech can harm you in the field. You may also feel stressed about the work from the boss at the workplace. Students will be worried about studies, but you will be able to take a very good decision. A family member will be sick Expenditure on their tests and medicines is expected. Remedy for you is offer modak to Lord Ganesha on Wednesday. Now let's move to Goat, that is Capricorn. The financial side will remain normal, but unwanted expenses may disturb you time and again. The financial side will remain normal, but unwanted expenses may disturb you time and again. Business persons will plan to invest their money properly in the business. You will reduce stress by getting good results in connection with work at the workplace. Students kept practicing to master their streams. Those dreams of going abroad can fulfill their dreams. It will be good for you to spend time with your family or partner. Take support of yoga to stay healthy. Also add fruits and green vegetables in your food. Remedy for you is keep the whitewashed Ganpati in your temple or wallet on Wednesday. Now let's move to Water, that is Aquarius. Business persons will rethink their plans so that the business can get momentum again. The brilliance of your intellect will benefit you in many areas of life. Keep a check on your anger at the workplace, otherwise there may be a big fight. Students will not be able to concentrate on their field regarding the domestic environment. There will also be happiness in family life, and you will be able to spend moments of happiness with your spouse and children. Remedy for you is offer Durva, means green grass, and red flower to Ganpati and chant Om Gang Ganpataye Namaha. Now let's move to Fish, that is Pisces. Some incomplete projects in the business may increase to competition, which was stuck for a long time. With your work at the workplace, you will be able to have positive effects on high officials and colleagues. All those pursuing higher education will do very well and will also get scholarships. Family life is expected to be normal, and in married life, you will get good results. The health of elders in the family will improve. Misunderstandings in your marital life will get resolved and love will grow. The remedy for you is donate dark or ruby colored flowers at holy place. So my dear friends, it was my analysis for Mercury transit. Now I want to convey one message to all of you, that this prediction is based on sun sign. However, this is just a special forecast. If you have any personal or professional problems and would like a personalized session, please feel free to contact us via telephonic or video conferencing appointment. You can also WhatsApp us on the given number or drop your queries in the comment box. For any astrological solution, you can visit www.grahonkakhel.co.in. In the end, all I want to say is, remember, there are more things to alarm us than to harm us, and we suffer more often in fear than reality. Thanks for watching this video. Take special care. Namaskar. Bye bye. स्वस्थ शरीर रुद्राक्ष प्रदान करता है, स्वस्थ मन स्फटिक प्रदान करता है, और भोलेनाथ की शक्ति अमोघ महामृत्युंजय कवच के साथ इस त्रिशक्ति माला में हमने समाहित की है, और आध्यात्मिक साधना सिद्धि केंद्र में इसे निर्मित ही नहीं बल्कि प्राण प्रतिष्ठित भी किया जा रहा है। इस त्रिशक्ति माला से आप अपने जीवन में सुख समृद्धि के साथ साथ स्वस्थ तन और स्वस्थ मन भी पा सकते हैं। आज के इस मानसिक तनाव के युग में आप अपने और अपने परिवार वालों के लिए इस त्रिशक्ति माला को मंगवाकर इसे धारण करिए, और इसके बाद आप अपने जीवन में सुख शांति समृद्धि के साथ स्वस्थ तन और स्वस्थ मन भी पा सकते हैं। इस माला को परिवार का कोई भी सदस्य धारण कर सकता है। इसे धारण करने के कोई परहेज नहीं है, बल्कि इसे धारण करके भोलेनाथ का आशीर्वाद हम सबको मिलेगा। आप अपने और अपने परिवार के लिए इस माला को प्राप्त करने के लिए दिए गए नंबर पर संपर्क करके आप मंगवा सकते हैं।